Romantic and classic. It's hard not to fall in love with the idea of Venice. You grow up hearing about a beautiful city with gorgeous architecture and rich history floating off the coast of Italy. But you also grow up hearing about crowds and prices. I believed Venice was something to check off a bucket list. To do once, just to say you did. The first time I came here, it was in the bone chill of December, but that couldn't keep me from falling in love with this city, and once just wasn't enough. This is Murano, one of the Venetian islands known for glassblowing. We decided to come here to avoid some of the infamous crowds of Venice.
For what?
Habanera. And Cooper and Eleanor. Good pizza. Oh, shoot. We got some pizza for lunch and we're headed to go get some gelato. They say that the food in Venice is not very good, but I can't be the one to judge that because my taste is not very good either. So I think it's honestly fine, but I respect that it is extremely expensive. So maybe people just feel like they're not getting like the value they expect.
Nail on the head. Nail on the head.
I hope they take card because I don't have any cash on me. What dum-dum got the extra cone. I literally don't even like cones that much. And
The extra large cone?
I got the extra large cone that was €1 extra. So I feel a little silly about that, but it was still only €4, so.
I love it too because it's just this small little ice cream scoop that looks so big in the normal ones, but we just got one.
I don't even like cones. Like I normally get it in a cup. Cooper likes cones though, so. We're not very compatible ice cream flavors, Cooper and I, so we always have to figure out something that we like together. We're gonna sit on those church steps, but there's actually a sign that says no sitting. We saw some teenagers sitting, but I guess they don't care about the rules.
Jealous.
That is so peanut buttery. Oh my gosh, you're gonna love this.
Really?
Yeah. Here.
Whoa, that's a real hit of peanut butter right there.
I know.
That's great. That's great.
It's good. If you like peanut butter. A pigeon. this sounds kind of crazy, but for many years, I did not like ice cream very much. It's still not my favorite, but it's growing on me. I do like froyo, and I didn't realize that that was an unpopular opinion. Like, I thought that people liked froyo. But this is good. I mean, gelato in Italy is good too, I guess. It's not like Cherry Berry in Invergrove Heights, but it's alright.
Deep Minnesota suburbs cut.
Yeah. St. Paul, Minneapolis suburbs, baby. It's so cute. We're going to Old Wild West. You gotta get a taste of home everywhere, right?
What's Old Wild West?
It's a American-style restaurant, American-themed restaurant in Italy. We've seen them in a lot of places, but we've only been to the one in Venice.
And we loved it.
Twice. I got a burrito, and they gave me some black beans for my chips dip. It's pretty good.
Are you embracing your Americanness?
I mean, I guess not, because I got a burrito.
Hey, so what'd you feel?
I thought my meal was great. I feel like Old Wild West is very consistent.
Dude. I mean, they cooked my chicken wings perfect.
Yeah. You know, one of the things about Venice is there's so many day trippers here. You want to see things like empty, you really got to come early in the morning. Like last night, it's just like 6 deep of people. But now there's like 20 of us here. So if you can swing it, staying in Venice makes a huge difference of
Yes.
like being able to see Venice without like huge crowds.
And getting up early in the morning, man, I mean, massive difference.
Or you can come in December. There was no one there here. There's no one there then.
Afraid you're gonna fall in the canal?
I wasn't until you just said that. But I guess maybe you unlocked a new fear for me. I'm not a very strong swimmer, so that would be bad. And when I say I'm not a strong swimmer, I mean I'm not 100% sure that I could swim if I fell.
It scares me sometimes.
People do crazy things, life or death.
So like maybe you just need the pressure to push you to finally do it.
I definitely have swam before. Maybe. No, definitely I've swam once or twice. I managed to. Yeah. I'm trying to figure out like if I actually would consider what I did swimming. But I managed to stay up. I think one of the most disappointing parts of travel is when you get like rain or gloominess the whole time you are someplace. I think it takes a lot of time and effort to make peace with the fact that weather can not be great on a trip and you have to find ways to enjoy it anyway. We were walking this morning and it just started raining and we were gonna go to a park and then the walk became kind of miserable and like Venice is not the most fun place to have umbrellas because there's a lot of small alleys, so you're constantly having to put it away and pick it back up, and it was disappointing for sure, but you get lucky sometimes and sometimes you just don't. Oh, this is so tomatoey.
You want to dive in?
Yes. Let's see. Nothing feels like Italy like tiramisu. The first time we came to Venice, everyone I knew told me we had to take a gondola ride, and I told them there was no way that was happening because it was way too expensive. This ride was kindly donated to us by my parents for our anniversary. And though I would definitely not recommend it for everyone because it is not cheap, it is also a beautiful way to see the city. It's fun to come to St. Mark's Square after dark. I actually think I like it better than in the daytime. It's very well lit up, I think, for the architecture. It's just beautiful. They were just playing that song that goes like, L is for the way you look at me. And I was reminiscing that we sung that one for a Valentine's Day dinner when I was in high school choir. It's exciting. It's exciting to hear it. You get to like brag a little bit about how you were one of the cool kids in high school. Yeah. I always love an excuse to talk about my glory days. We're honestly not having a great night, and I think one of the most difficult parts about traveling, at least for us, is coming to terms with like not having a great night in a beautiful place that you paid to be in. Just kind of sitting with that and accepting it, because it's really hard to not try and push it off or like spend more money to basically save the night. Just accept that you're gonna have bad nights in fun, pretty places and like make peace with it. Don't feel like crappy about the money you spent, which I still do, of course, but it's hard not to beat yourself up for feeling like, how can I be in such an incredible place and not feel happy and fulfilled?
Yeah. You can't expect for every moment to just be like a high of a trip.
No.
And I think it's so easy to create expectations for a trip and think, I'm going to be this way and I'm going to feel this and it's going to be incredible. And it will. But it's also going to suck, just like normal life does sometimes.
Yeah, it's going to be a longer walk to the hotel than you thought. And your bags are going to be heavy, and it's going to rain, and all the bathrooms are going to cost money, and all the food is going to be expensive, and then you're going to get a drink at a cafe because you need to use the bathroom, and then that's going to make you need to use the bathroom again 30 minutes later, and you basically just ended up net negative. And all that to say, we're thriving.
How do you feel about saying goodbye to a beautiful floating city of Venice?
I'm sad.
Ma anche tatuare ad esempio le parti.
We spent longer here than we did last time and still felt not enough.